Going on, everybody? Good morning. The 16th of October. CASPER, 11.2% in the green. That's what we're looking at today. Daily chart. Share a couple of levels here. What my profit target would be, and then another target you could use depending on how you want to look at this pattern here. Not yet subscribed to the channel? Go ahead and do so. A lot of viewers not yet subscribed. So we are on a daily chart. We're on tradingview.com. We are looking at CASPER. So that would be CSPR/USDT. CASPER/Tether. So this is going to be the long video. I put out a short just a couple minutes ago. Gives you a quick and brief 60-second or so snippet of my thoughts on this. Couple levels. This will be the more in-depth video. Check out the shorts if you want something quick and dirty. So here we are. This is we have a cup with handle pattern here. That's the cup. This is the handle. The entry would be the left-hand side of the handle, which is 0.380. So that high, a break of that high would be an entry. Some people use targets as so you take the high of the cup and the low of the cup, you add that to the entry, and that gives you a target of 0.522. So right up in here. So you could use that as an area to shoot for, assuming you bought properly and you're looking to maximize the full move. So that would get you roughly 380, we'll call it right there, 37% or so move to the upside. I have a target at 466. 0.466 would be my target. Not too far from there. Looks like we are currently 7-8 or so % away from that target. So in yesterday's video, let me clean up this chart. I had mentioned a couple levels yesterday to keep your eye out on. As the price moves higher, we could find some resistance, some trouble, some pausing before continuing higher. So one of those levels is where the price is basically pinned at right now, and that would be 0.433. So right here on the chart, you can see the price is having a slight struggle there to get above it. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, it looks like we have moved above 0.415. That's another area of potential resistance, so that's a good thing. Obviously, we'll see where we close today, but this is looking like a phenomenal breakout. Classic picture-perfect breakout. So we'll see. If I zoom into the 3-minute chart real quick, then I'll come back to the daily. You could see, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this get broken to the upside very soon. It looks really strong. You can see we are finding resistance, though, at that 435 area. Once, big old wick on the candle here. Another one. But we did find support down here at 415 on the 3-minute chart, so that is really nice to see. Basically just chopping in this range. At some point, we'll either break out of the range to the upside or out of the range to the downside. Currently, resistance at 0.435. Zooming back in here. So as the price, assuming it does move higher, our next level, like I said, that would be my profit target, would be at 466. 466, and that would be good for a, let's see here, roughly a 20 or so % trade. Not too bad. If you're going for the full move, like I said, you're up into the 37 or so % move. And then if you're going for something even higher than that, that's a whole different story. Just kind of talking about this particular base and the two targets I would have, which would be, one would be 466. The other one would be 522. So not financial advice. Don't know how you trade this. You might just be in it for the long term and none of this matters. But potentially you could take off 3/4 of your position at 466 and then the remaining up here at 522. That would be quite the trade. So what am I looking for today? One is, let's see if we can get above 4. Looks like our level here is at 435. So currently that is resistance, 435. If we break above that and we start to head to our 466, like I said, that is a area to lock in some profits. If we find resistance at 435 and close below it, we could be heading back down to 415. Currently, we are breaking above 435 at the moment. As you can see, we are at 439, and here we go. Real time, moving on up here. Still finding a little bit of struggle. You can see the price pulled back, but getting very close to our target there at 466. And this thing is pumping. This is a really, really nice pattern. I mean, it's basically picture perfect. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us hit our target number 1, which are basically right there right now. We're at 4. We just hit 460. And then our, based on the depth of the cup, which would be 522. So that's my thoughts, guys. Not financial advice. Do what you want. Do your own research. Just wanted to share some levels of importance, in my opinion. And those levels are 415, 435, 466. Don't forget the 509. And then up there at 522. Now you might be extremely bullish on this project and have much, much higher price targets. I understand that. As you can see, I have levels on the chart up here at 727 and one's even much, much higher. This is just based currently on this pattern. And at some point, we probably will get to those much higher levels, but it's usually not a straight shot up. Although sometimes cryptos do some funny things. Usually it takes some stair stepping to the upside or to the downside. As you can see, didn't quite hit our 466 target. We hit 460. 460 we hit. And it looks like we're starting to pull back slightly back to that 435. So keep those levels in mind. Keep them on your chart. And let's see how this thing does here. Let's see how high we go for this breakout before we get a pullback. So that's my thoughts. This is Casper Labs, CSPR/USDT, Casper/Tether. This is a daily chart. Those are my levels that I'm looking for as this thing pumps here. Up 16.41%. Not too bad. Let's go to the 3-minute chart real quick. And look, you can see we got that really nice breakout past the 435. Almost up to our 466 area. And we'll see when this candle closes if we can tap that level. Things look good here for the Casper holders. All right, guys. It's Sunday. Have a great rest of your day. I am sure we'll be out with some more videos as this thing has a really nice upside trading show for us to watch here. If you want to buy Casper, if you want to buy XRP, Uphold, I have a link down in the video description. I appreciate anybody who does use that link. I do get an affiliate commission. As always, not financial advice. Do your own research. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Check out our shorts for the quick and dirty rundown on some of these cryptos, stocks, etc. All right, guys, take it easy.